Hello family, Nkiru here. Today I am super excited to share with you how I make this delicious, spicy, stewed goat meat. Let's cook. The ingredients: pre-washed goat meat, garlic, scotch bonnet peppers, ginger, nor powder, dry rosemary leaves, bay leaves, liquid aminos, onions, and then the ingredients for the sauce. To the pot of meat, add 1 tablespoon nor powder, 1 teaspoon rosemary leaves, 3 to 5 bay leaves, 1 onion. It doesn't matter how you cut it, big or small. Add to the pot. Now add a bulb of garlic, the entire bulb. Cut it up and add to the pot. After that, add ginger. About 2 inches of ginger. And then scotch bonnet pepper. It is hot. So if you don't like hot, don't use 2. You can use half or you can do without, but this is spicy. Then you add 1 tablespoon of liquid aminos. I want you to know that we didn't add water. We will add water after steaming the meat. It will release its own water. Cover the pot and steam it. After about 15 minutes, add water. Make sure you mix it so that the seasonings will go in. Cover it and cook for about 45 minutes. Stir in between. While the meat is cooking, prepare the sauce, the ingredients for the sauce. Ginger, 1 onion, 4 bell peppers, 2 scotch bonnet peppers. Use your food processor or blender, but don't add water. Just chop it off coarsely. This is it. Pepper mix, no water added. Now, you heat up oil, saute onion with about 2 cloves of garlic. Fry it to release the fragrance. Then it's time to add the pepper mix. Continue frying until it starts releasing oil. That will show you it's well cooked. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt for taste. It's optional. This is the meat. It's ready. So remove it from the stock and put it in a baking dish, because you will set the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grill the meat for 10 to 15 minutes. We don't want to fry, we grill it. Sprinkle some stock on the meat. It helps to bring out the taste. This is the sauce. Add the remaining stock to the sauce and combine very well. After 15 minutes, bring the meat out and pour the sauce on it and combine very well so that it will saturate the meat. And then put it back in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes. Let me just taste a piece for you. It's delicious. After about 5 minutes, you dish it out. This is the most delicious, spicy, stewed goat meat I have ever eaten. Try it. I bet you will love it. Now I'm dishing some samples for myself. You can garnish with any vegetable of choice. For this, I am using sweet peppers and green onion. And I'm tasting on your behalf. Once again, I thank you so much for being with us. If today is your first day, join the family. For those returning subscribers and our viewers, we appreciate you. We cannot do without you. Remember to give us thumbs up, please. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so that you will support the growth of our channel. Share with family and friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.